Hello friends, so I am back with my new lecture. The topic of today's lecture is Chronology of Formation of Union Territories in India. In the last lecture we have studied about the formation of states in India, in which we have studied the different states in India, how they have got formed, in which year, and because you already know that the states got formed after it starts forming in India after 1947. So we have studied from 1947 till 2014 when we have got the last state, which is Telangana. Now we will study the chronology of formation of union territories in India. So the union territory Puducherry you already know that Puducherry is a union territory which has a legislature of its own. So it has a state legislature, Puducherry, and you know that Puducherry consists of four different territories, in which Karaikal and Puducherry is in Tamil Nadu, Mahe is in Kerala, and Yanam is in Andhra Pradesh. Now, this Puducherry was under the control of France, so uh, French. So it was under the French rule, and it got independence from France from French rule in 1954. And in 1962, it has become the Union Territory. So 1954, it was transferred to Union of India from France, and 1962, it has become Union Territory. Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. You already know that now both different union territory which were there, now they have got they have got merged and become a single union territory in 2020. But this Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, so uh, so 1954 Dadar and Nagar Haveli got free from Portuguese rule. Similarly, Daman and Diu got free from Portuguese rule in 1954. In 1961, they became Union Territory of India. 1961, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. But Daman and Diu was with Goa. Goa and Daman and Diu were become Union Territory in 1961. Dadra and Nagar Haveli separately become Union Territory in 1961. So in 1961, Goa, Daman and Diu combined form a Union Territory. Goa got separated in 1987 when it became a separate state. So in 1987, what was the condition? So Dadra and Nagar Haveli in 1987 was a separate union territory, become a separate union territory in 1961, and in 1987, Daman and Diu become a separate union territory, and in 2000 both the UTs merged and become one UT. So Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu got free from Portuguese rule 1954, and 1961 they become union territory. Daman and Diu 1961 I already told you. In 1987 finally separated from Goa, become a union territory, but in 1961 become a union territory with Goa. Delhi 1956 become a NCT, which is National Capital Territory with a legislature. You know that Delhi has a legislature of its own. Lakshadweep, which was known as Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amindivi Islands, in 1973 renamed as Lakshadweep Islands. In 1956, it became a union territory. So in 1956, was part of Part D states, Part D, which were the union territories. Andaman Nicobar again 1956, part of Part D states. We will study Part A, Part B, Part C. Jammu and Kashmir, you know that in 2019 it was a separate state, but in 2019 become a union territory with a legislature of its own. Ladakh become a union territory in 2019. Chandigarh become a union territory in 1966 when this Punjab become Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh become a state in 1971. But Himachal Pradesh was part of Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh 1966, and with Chandigarh become a separate union territory in 1966. So initially it was Punjab, now Haryana got separated, Himachal Pradesh got separated, in 1997 become a union territory. Himachal Pradesh was a union territory, and in 1971 it has become a state. So Himachal Pradesh was erstwhile a union territory. Himachal Pradesh become a state in 1971, एंड पंजाब, सो पंजाब से हरियाणा निकला और चंडीगढ़ निकला, चंडीगढ़ सेपरेट यूनियन टेरिटरी निकली बना। और पंजाब से मैं आपको बता दूं हिली एरिया जो थे पंजाब के, जो कि हिमाचल प्रदेश बन गए थे, बट हिमाचल प्रदेश 1956 में ही यूनियन टेरिटरी बन गया था और 1971 में ये सेपरेट स्टेट बन गया था, चंडीगढ़ 1966 में। तो 1966 में पंजाब से हरियाणा और चंडीगढ़ अलग हुए थे। हिमाचल प्रदेश तो पहले ही अलग हो गया था, 1956 में वॉज अ it was a union territory, and 1971 become a state. So this is the chronology of formation of union territories in India. In the next lecture we will study about part A, part B, part C, part D states. ठीक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और ये सेपरेट कमीशंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जिनकी वजह से ये 1956 में पार्ट ए, पार्ट बी, पार्ट सी, पार्ट डी स्टेट्स बने थे. सो विल स्टडी ऑल दीज. 1947 में, ये 1950 में बने थे, और 1956 में फाइनली स्टेट्स का निर्माण हुआ था अलग अलग. विल स्टडी ऑल दोज थिंग्स इन सेपरेट न्यू लेक्चर. टिल देन, kindly like my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you like my lecture, kindly don't forget to press the notification button, and kindly like my lecture. Thank you very much.